Guys, just want to make a quick little video here to show you guys what to do if you run out of fuel on the highway or while you're parked up. I've been parked up for a few weeks now, and I parked the truck knowing that I was low on fuel. And it's been cold outside, so every now and then I had to come and warm up the truck so the battery stay charged and stuff like that. But anyway, eventually the truck ran out of fuel while I was parked here. So what I did was I get a 5-gallon container of diesel, and I pour it in the gas tank over there. Then I leave a little bit in here so I can pour it in this glass bowl. So what I did was take off the tap. I took the tap off here. Then I take this water bottle. I've cut it up, and I put this top. I put the top in the glass bowl right here. Then I take this water bottle here with diesel, and then I pour it in here, of course, in a glass bowl. Pour it in here. Then I put back the top on. I close the top. Then I take out this air filter. All right. So what you got to do is go this way towards the front of the engine, like that. Take it out like that. All right. You want to take out this air filter here. You want to take this out like this. That's how it look. And then you want to take some starter fluid. Before you put the starter fluid in there, you want to go in the truck, and you want to turn the key in the on position. Then you come back, and then you spray this in here twice. Then you go back in the truck, and then you try and start it up. If that doesn't start it up right away, you come back and you spray some more starter fluid in there about 2 more times. Then you go back in the truck, and then you try and start it up again. If that doesn't work, then you come back and spray it again 2 more times. And the third time, normally get it to start. And once your truck is start up, you let it run for maybe like a little bit. Maybe I was like a minute. Let it run for like a minute so the fuel can circulate and stuff like that. Then you come back and you put back your air filter, and then you clean up your whatever you got going. All right. Anyway, guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.